Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear Facebook cache, right? It is very easy. So first of all, you have to open your settings of your phone. By the way, the steps which I'm going to show you is exactly same in iOS and Android, right? So I will just open my settings of my phone, right? And here in the search bar, I have to search for apps, right? If you're not able to look for the apps, there will be option of app management, right? You can also search for app management. If you're not able to find it, then you can just scroll a little bit down, right? And here somewhere you will find this apps option. Go to the app management, and here in the search bar you have to find the Facebook mobile application. Once you're here, by the way, there is another shortcut to reach here, right? For example, I will just look for Facebook here. I will just click and hold, go to the app info, and I will be here, right? Then just go to the storage usage, and here clear the cache, and that's it. So this is a way to clear Facebook cache, right? I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.